Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Arc Raiders. While launching the game, you got an online connection error with the message online services are currently unavailable. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, you need to reset your router, and to do so, you need to turn off your router. After that, press and hold the power key for around 20 seconds and then release the power key. Once done, reconnect your router with your laptop or your system and then try to launch the game to fix out the issue. If this fails to work out, in next step, right click on start menu, choose the option run, type here ncpa.cpl and then hit the enter key. Now whichever your Wi-Fi is, you need to right click and go to its properties. First of all, here you need to find TCP/IP v6 and if this option is check mark, uncheck it. After doing so, you need to click on TCP/IP v4 and go to its properties. Now we are going to use the Google DNS, so choose the second option and type in 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. After doing so, hit the OK button and close it. Now click on start menu, type CMD and you need to choose the option run as administrator. Now type here a command ipconfig /flushdns and then hit the enter key. After doing so, go ahead and relaunch the game and the online connection error will be completely fixed out. If this also failed, the only reason your game is not launching because of the server issue. Here is the website and you can see currently there is an outrage in the servers of the Arc Raiders and that's why you are getting the connection error issue. So check this website also and once the outrage is finished, you will be able to log in and you will be able to launch the game. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.